The ideal section was truly that. It was an ideal section because of its location and proximity to Chicago. It was going to receive heavy amounts of travel. And the ideal section was going to be an object lesson road. This was going to be the road ultimately that would share with the rest of the United States as to how to build your roads. It was designed to basically be the road of the 1940s. As it turned out, most of the engineering and the way that they did that road is what we drive on today. It was considered ideal also in that out of the 3,200 miles that they could have chosen to build this little section of roads, they chose Dyer. The whole idea involved 17 of the nation's top engineers. They met several times. They came up with this list of guidelines in terms of how the road was going to be built. And in the end, just summing it up, it was going to be a road that consisted of reinforced concrete, 10 inches thick. It was going to have 10-foot wide lanes, and they were going to be 4 lanes wide. It was going to have a gutter system. It was going to have specialized bridges. It was going to have a guardrail system. It included a pedestrian pathway, and it included special landscaping to improve the sight of the road as the traveler went across it. It also included the first highway lighting. The lighting was designed by General Electric in New York, and while they sold it as being able to turn your lights off and drive on the road just because they had these lights, I've seen 2 or 3 photographs of the cars driving on it at night, and they all have their headlights on.